Welcome to Decidedly Neapolitan. I took a little break from working on the hill over there in the Twiglet Forest, working on RCI Twiglet Forest base. I wanted to do a fun little project, something I did on the Whoevercraft server, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to do it here. I like doing these type of projects, and so so I took a little break, and so this doesn't have anything to do with the Twiglet Forest base, but it is something a little different. Let's just get over here and come on. There we go. Show you here. See if I can do a dramatic reveal here. Of course, it's not loading in, so may not be as dramatic as I had hoped. It should be over here somewhere. Oh, look at down there. Yeah, we can see through the world. Let's be a little cheaty here. Come on, load in. My computer's just, there it is. Let's go back this way. Okay, so it's a dramatic was fail. The dramatic failed. But there it is, guys. Yeah, I did a little lighthouse. If you remember, any of you ever saw any of my Whoevercraft videos, then this should look pretty familiar. But I was able to use glowstone this time, so yeah. Now I did the carpenter blocks on the roof, and I think the roof turned out really nice. I kind of like this roof design. Yeah, I used the carpenter blocks on the roof, and then I used the let's go this way. I used the building guide to build the actual tower, which made it real simple. And I'm using, let's see, can I see if I can get down here? I'm using that chiseled clear glass, so you can't even really see that glass. I mean, look how clear it is. It is nice and clear. It is just a little bit of a glass texture. But, yeah. Okay, so let's go down. And let's go over here. This is my little screenshot area here. My little lily pad that I do my screenshots on. Can I hit it? Perfect. So, yeah. So this is the old screenshot portion here. Just, you can see the coral leading up to it. Isn't that a nice picture? Let's make a little screenshot there. There we go. That'll be my thumbnail. But yeah, it turned out, I really like the way it turned out. Now, it's not, it's not perfect or anything. I'm not that great of a builder. But I think it turned out pretty good. These are the Railcraft things. I was going to put them on all of the posts, but it looked like it was just a little too much. So I just put them here, and I put them on the end down there, and put them up here. But yeah, maybe some of the other guys will have some better ideas. What is with all of the mobs? Let's get in here. Okay. Now I did furnish the inside of it. Now I kind of tried to set it up so it's like a. Is he going away? Shut up. So that he's like one of the old lighthouses that they used to live in. Okay, I'm going to get rid of these guys. They are just bugging me. There. Are we done? Are we done? Can I get on with it, please? Getting some lag here. Yeah, I updated my DX Tory, and it really lags out the game a lot. But I'm on the server recording. Okay, let's go inside. Should be good now. At least good enough. So yeah, this is set up like back in the day when they used to live in the lighthouses. The I don't know what you call them. The lighthouse keepers, whatever their name was. Used to live back in here, so I've got he's got a little typewriter going there. He's got, of course, all of his bookshelves. And he's a collector of the coral, obviously. I'm collecting the coral. Got some books here. Just different ones. And here's this little living quarters area here. And then, of course, you got the stairs going up. The stairs are a little wonky. I didn't quite do it just exactly right. I'm not sure what I did wrong. So, Pix, if you ever watch this video, maybe you can tell me what I did wrong on here. Just put paintings on the walls. I didn't really know what to do much, and I think I may get some of those display cases and put some trinkets on the wall here as we go up. And I used the I don't have it with me, do I? No. I used the diamond chisel to, just add in a little bit of the detail that I have here. And as you can see over, where is it? One of these I double-clicked instead of single-clicked. This one right there. See, I double-clicked on that guy. But you can edit these in place, which makes it really nice. And here's a little cubby hole. Since I had a little open area there, I put in a window. I do have windows on these, so but you can't really see too much out of them. But if you ever see pictures of lighthouses, they have these little narrow windows. Now, of course, this is a lighthouse, so it's got to have some sort of control mechanism, right? There it is. This is the control mechanism for the lighthouse here. As you can see, it's got a little control panel here. Got a bunch of what's-its and who's-its going. It's got some transfer node blocks there going into the wiring system, which powers the glowstone. Yeah, cool. Got my little light going on there. That's pretty. I like the way that's one of those bibliograph lights, and that looks really cool. I like that. It's got user manuals up here and title manuals and all kinds of other manuals. And I think we can sit in the chair, can't we? Yes, we can. So we can sit here and control the lighthouse. You betcha. How do I get out of here? Shift. So yeah, this is as high up as you can go. So I thought it turned out pretty good. So I just did the basic. I like the Carpenter 2-rail system, so I went with that because it looks like a nice little railing. Very simple design. The thing about lighthouses, if you've ever seen a real lighthouse, and I've seen several. I lived in Oregon for a number of years. And, of course, Oregon has a bunch of lighthouses. Well, I don't know if they have a bunch, but they've got a few, and I've been to a few of them out on the coast, and they're very simplistic. In fact, this is kind of more than what you'll ever actually see in a lighthouse. They don't live in them nowadays, of course, but back in the day they used to live in them. But, yeah, so I kind of, I bumped my microphone there, sorry. So I kind of probably over-decorated it, actually. And, these are just his little water bottles. And, seawater samples that he's taken to monitor the pollution levels in the water. Blue has his base right over there. Before he left, it looks like he went through a deforestation project over there. Shut up! You guys are bugging me. So yeah, I'm gonna fix that over there and reforest it. But yeah, I thought it turned out pretty nice. Pretty nice. Let's go back over here so we can get an overview. So yeah, he's monitoring these. Blue was building a nuclear reactor down there, or getting the pieces to it. So you got to monitor the water to make sure there's no pollution or any leakage. Gotta keep a handle on stuff. But there you have it, guys. Little lighthouse, just a little fun little project, something different to do. I think it turned out pretty nice. At least for me. I'm not a great builder, but I kind of like the way it turned out. So, anyways, guys, that's about it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye now.